want me to rehear something?
Melinda's dad here.
Hi.
Come have fun with me.
Yeah.
So, she's gonna do a couple things for us. What are we gonna do, Melinda?
I'm gonna cut us open these and this.
You're gonna cut this? Let's cut just these two things.
Yeah, we're gonna cut
We'll
these
save the other one for another video. Alright, so go ahead and cut it.
Okay, first one.
You gotta bring the bowl in so they can see it.
Yeah. So we have this one. I'm gonna take the tape off.
What is it?
It's the stress ball. It's a homemade one.
Homemade stress ball. Oh man. Ooh. You're not even getting in the bowl. Oh.
Ew.
Okay. So we got some seriously yucky slime in there.
I call it the skin slime.
You call it the what?
The skin.
Skin
Because it
slime?
looks like my skin.
It's pretty gross. It's got glitter in it, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, what's the next thing you're gonna cut?
Next thing. Here, I have this.
Ugh.
Here's
Sticky too.
this one. So I call the cookie balloon. There's like little dots on it. They're hard to cut.
Give it a good cut.
I think I got a cut right here. Yep.
Oh, that's gonna spray everywhere.
Let me just get right in that hole.
Oh wow, that was cool how it just went like to purple. There's like a bead in it.
Yeah, there's beads in it.
Now this is another homemade stress ball, correct?
Yep. This one's very, very blue.
That slime is not sticky.
It's kind of wet.
It's kind of wet, but it's not as sticky.
This one's cool.
Sticky.
No, this one's
It
cool.
sticks to you.
It's like,
Okay, saying goodbye from Daddy.
bye from Melinda.
And
Comment down below which one was your favorite.
like, subscribe.
And like and subscribe.
All that fun stuff.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.